Road March is July 10. Can you believe it? And Smirnoff has lots of plans. Ash has the scoop.
Tonight, Smirnoff is launching their Carnival experience. So let's go and check out how one lucky person can win a trip to Miami.
Just turn on your phones right now and do the Once you buy a 750 ml or two 200 ml, which is the Qs as we call it, you get a chance to win a trip to Miami Carnival.
What they did was created signature cocktails that would inspire people to mix cocktails.
All right, LaShawn, tell me a little bit about the event. Why are we here tonight?
We're here to launch Smirnoff Carnival Experience, which is actually a consumer promotion. And what the winner will win is a chance to go to Miami Carnival for 5 days and 4 nights. All they're required to do is to purchase one 750 ml Smirnoff or two 200 ml, which is what we call the Qs in the bar, and they get a chance to win a trip to Miami Carnival that I want to go to.
Nice. So is it any specific kind of Smirnoff? Like, is it regular? Is it green apple? Any Smirnoff?
Any Smirnoff, the regular or the green apple, that's fine. Your choice, and you can actually win a trip. Let me just repeat that, for 5 days and 4 nights.
Tell them what is behavior. Turn up the music. What is behavior? Turn up what is behavior. Tell them we be a friend blinking ball. All the friends them stinking ball. We be a friend blinking ball.
All right, Rashawn, so it seems like Smirnoff is getting us into the carnival spirit early, right? What's your favorite thing about Carnival?
My favorite thing, soca music. Because when soca hits, it's a different feeling. You know, behind a truck with soca music playing, it's like, me now have no care in the world, no stress. It's just me, soca, and rum.
Alright, so are we gonna hear anything new from the Road Marshal for the upcoming soca season?
Yeah, most definitely. We have something forward up, but I can't reveal nothing. You understand? I can say this though. We have a big collaboration that come with a big Trinidad artist. So look out for that.
They can looking groovy. It's like so much of them.
Alright, Nick, so it seems like Smirnoff is giving us a little feel of the carnival season before it actually happens, but I want to know, right? I saw a poll on Twitter saying October or July for Carnival. You can tell me when we can expect to see Carnival?
Well, I can't really give you an exact date at the moment, but whichever day we do decide to go in, I can tell you it's going to be the biggest carnival in the world.
Biggest carnival in the world.
In the world.
Alright, Nicolina, so it seems like Smirnoff is getting us geared up for the upcoming carnival season, right? What is your favorite thing about Carnival?
Oh my God, Carnival is such an exciting time. I love to see the costumes. Everything just excites me. The colors and the music. That's it for me. Hey, and of course, you know, so we have to have a nice drink in hand to have a good vibe.
Alright, so I'm here with the Caesars Army team. Guys, what can we expect, or what are you mostly expecting from the upcoming Jamaica Carnival season?
Vibes. We're looking for everybody to come out to our events that we will launch as soon as the dates are announced. Yes. We want everybody, you know, Caesars Army is high energy, right? So bring your vibes, bring your energy, and just come out.
Alright, what is your favorite thing about Carnival?
Definitely the Road March. Definitely. Jimin Juve is a close second, but I love Pretty Mass. I love the drama and the makeup and the glitz. That's my favorite part for sure.
Alright, ladies, I want each of you to tell me what your favorite thing about Carnival is.
It's just the whole experience of tripping down the road in my costume. It's amazing. For me, there's nothing better than hearing your favorite soca song in your costume. You feel like a hot girl, like you drink your drink, so you just have wine up yourself.
One thing is sure is that we are itching for Jamaica Carnival. But if you want to experience Carnival in Miami, make sure you buy up your Smirnoff them.